What's up, YouTubers? Coming at you. Today, I was going to post just a quick video on how to set up your actual point on the table if you got a Bailey's PT22. So what you do, if you go ahead and clear these out and make sure these are cleared, go to settings. You see these numbers right here? I used to just hit 0 several times. And then go back. Make sure these are 0. And then you could actually move it around. Say you want to move it down a little bit, come across, move it one time. You go back here and hit go to 0. And it puts you back. So say let's do it again. So you want to start, see right there. So you go back here and you see all these different numbers that popped up. Hit your Z-axis, Y-axis, 0 X-axis. You go to settings, 0 it out, zero it out. So always go back to 0. These numbers are just a position of where the actual, I guess the original X and Y is. So you go back here, because these are always on 0 because you did that the first time. And then you hit, I got a little jogger here that you can move it around. So move it up here, then go back over. That's just a random spot. Come back to your 0. When I hit go to 0, it'll go back to where we was a while ago. And then you see my little bracket. This is my hydroponics brackets that I made. Go to 0, reset, and you come up to cycle start. Keeps it off. This is not exactly where I want it, but I was just showing just a short video on how you can actually set up a particular spot on your table with the plasma and where to put. I kind of got used to doing it this way. You guys might have a different way of doing it, but everything seems normal. This is a short video for you guys. See you next time.